In this video, the Bitcoin price action has started consolidating to the sideways price action. But guys, we are going to take a look at this massive support area that we have to watch out for the Bitcoin price action within the next few days. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to the Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out our videos like this. So let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap for previous analysis. So, di ba sa ating previous analysis, ang minomonitor natin was this potential bear flag or this ascending triangle. As you can see now we are seeing this ascending triangle. And if they are going to follow the short-term price action, it's actually going to be by getting the height. Ito, yung height niyan. Then, lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout if either bullish or bearish. But take a look at this, guys. We had a kind of close to the downside. So, in this case, this has confirmed a bearish price action up until this target, and it has met our target exactly as predicted. But if you're going to look out for, if you're going to zoom out dito, ang target natin dito, we can actually also look at this as a bear flag. You know, this was also a potential bear flag, but unfortunately, it did not play the bear flag. What it only played out was the ascending triangle. So right now, if you have traded the ascending triangle instead of the bear flag, then congratulations, you were definitely in profits. And yeah, right now, we are now just moving sideways dito with the Bitcoin price action. But the question is, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So, looking at this in the early time frame, it's just nothing but sideways price action. So, in this case, if you just want to monitor the pump and the movement, we can just look out for the smaller time frames, yung mga shorter time frames. If you want to trade yung consolidation, then we can actually just trade the divergences dito. So, as you can see, this is a very good example wherein and the price was increasing while RSI was declining. So that was a sign of a bearish trend reversal. So that has played that bearish divergence exactly. Same goes din dito. As you can see, we were seeing that declining price. Price was declining while RSI was increasing. So in this case, that was a short-term bullish divergence. So in this case, that was a very good short-term trade dito kay Bitcoin price action. So as you can see, yung sideways consolidation, if let's say you are not seeing any movement within the early time frame or for a time frame, for daily time frame, or in the bigger time frame, if wala kayong makitang tradable opportunity, then the best thing to do for you is just to wait this one out. But if let's say you are an aggressive trader and you are a scalper, then one thing that you can do is dive into 15-minute time frame and you can see now you have a lot of swing tradable opportunities by looking at the 15-minute time frame. So if let's say you don't want to wait it out, if let's say may konti lang pasensya mo, then you can look out for the 15-minute time frame. But take note, this is riskier than the early time frame kasi of course, time move faster within the smaller time frame kasi of course, it's way smaller and of course, it's gonna move fast. So if in this case, if talagang hindi maayos yung risk management nyo, then it's more likely na pwede kayo mawala ng pera dito sa 15-minute time frame. Let's say, trade lang kayo ng trade yan bigla tapos wala kayo risk management, then pwede kayo madali dito. So in this case, yung mga ganitong time frame, you have to be very patient dito and you have to be well prepared dito. So if let's say hindi pa kayo marunong mag-trade dito sa smaller time frames, meron din tayo actually tutorial video on how to do different analysis on shorter time frames. You can actually check out our Gabbal Crypto 101 tutorial playlist. They can find the description down below. You will find their different styles and different ways on using different indicators dito sa ating crypto market. So if you want to learn how to use different indicators, it's all available guys in the description down below. So make sure to check that one out. Now, yun yung nakita natin dito shorter time frame. Let's now dive in dito sa bigger time frame, which is the daily. Kasi as you can see, in the daily time frame, you can see na nag-plot tayo dito ng different red areas. Kasi itong different red areas is actually indicating a crucial part dito kay Bitcoin price action. So as you can see, previously, this red area between the 29 up until the 32,000 acted as a support area. So previously, that has seen a lot of bounce dito kay Bitcoin price action. In that case, you're expecting bounce to kay Bitcoin price action. But right now, in an uptrend, that is going to act as a resistance. As you can see, we got rejected here multiple times dito with the resistance. So it's right now getting a lot of rejection. So that is why we were seeing that rejection dito kay Bitcoin price action. At the same time, we are also forming another support area. So previously, ay na nagkaroon tayo ng rejection around the 23 to 25k, rejection 1, rejection 2, rejection 3, that has acted as a very strong resistance. Now, nagkaroon din tayo ng panibagong rejection dito, 1, 2, We have 2 more rejection though, so that is indicating na meron tayong malakas na resistance previously dito. But once we broke that area, we actually started moving to the next level. And as you can see right now, that next level, ito, nag-start na siya mag-act as a support area. So previously, resistance, ngayon it's going to act as a support area. So right now, it is actually indicating na we might see a potential bounce dito within the 23 to 25k. I don't think that we are going to go down any lower than 23k kasi based from this support and resistance, 23k is the lowest possible point. But yun nga, it's more likely na the moment na we are going to touch this area, it's more likely na pwede tayo makakuha ng bounce kasi of course, looking at the historical data, dun tayo may malakas na potential support area for a potential buying opportunity. So in this case, if let's say long-term ka, it's actually a good area to buy the dip around this red area, which is roughly around 25,100 US dollars. So that is the relative area kung saan tayo pwede makita ng bounce dito with the Bitcoin price action. So, looking at the volume, ang laki ng sellers natin nung nagkaroon ng dump. But every time na we are trying to touch this support area na yan, yung dito, every time na we were trying to touch the red area, we were somewhat seeing some volumes dito sa mga areas na yan. So, it's actually indicating na may mga good signs dito within the red area. So, it could be potentially saying that there are a lot of buy orders within this red area. So, it's potentially that people are actually waiting for the price action to go down within 23 to 25 para magkaroon ng panibagong buy orders. So, in this case, it's more likely na we are more likely to see a bounce within the 23 to 25k kasi ang dami nakaabang na buy order. So, typically, you want to be in those areas na mas maraming traders na papasok kasi of course, mas malaki opportunity niya na kumita doon if let's say nasabayan yung pag-akit niya, if nasabayan yung bounce ng crypto market. So, as much as possible, be very patient nandito and you have to watch out talaga itong mga bounce areas at support areas kung saan tayo pwede makita ng bounce. And yeah, in this case, if let's say nakita tayo ng bounce, pwede tayo mag-open ng new trade or actually na new long position. Then yeah, we can actually check out within the next few days kung ano yung pwede mangyari. So yeah, ayun muna update natin for the time being. So lately, wala akong video kasi I've been busy with a lot of things, especially sa football club namin and yeah, and things like that. So yeah, right now, I'm focusing with a lot of things outside of crypto, but nonetheless, I've been trading pa rin crypto every day, every other day. So if you don't want to miss our next videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button talaga and hit the notification bells kasi if ever na mag-post na ako, at least kahit pa paano ma-notify kayo sa aking next video. So make sure to check out our videos and make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss out our next videos. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And also, if wala pa account with BYBIT, make sure to trade this with BYBIT kasi mas mura ito Bitcoin trading fees. And referral link is available in the description down below for up to $5,000 bonus. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.